Hello and welcome, hope you're having a wonderful day. When you order goods or equipment from a retailer, sometimes you may end up with unwanted shipping labels on the packaging. These can be easily removed, and all you need is a hairdryer. You turn on the hairdryer and move across the label you want to be removed. It will slowly heat up the adhesive between the label and the packaging. When you see the label start to brown, then you should be able to peel off the shipping label with ease. It leaves almost no markings and very little residue. Of course, you've got to remember to remove the contents from the packaging first, as you don't want to melt them. Please place a like if you found the information in this video useful, and hit that subscribe button to be notified of future video releases and to help the channel grow. Thank you.